Alright, so I don't know what to do. I think I'm getting bored. I'm getting ready for band camp along with Studebaker. I need to announce my hiatus and my final beats, you know. Let's see who is at the door this time. Why are you here?
Well, that's because Blade, Ethan Johnson, and Marcus Rad wants us to kill you.
And I'm here to dominate you to die now.
You know what? Not today, because I have a bat. Let me just take it out.
That really does it. I have a chain with me. Now die!
Nothing effective. Let me take care of this.
Oh, you'll really get it now, don't you?
Prepare to say goodbye to yourself now, you motherfucker. There, no one mess with me. Now I will come back to my house. I think I should pick up these items since those guys are down. Alright, I'm gonna pick them up so I can get more stronger. In case if there's any stronger enemies.
Welcome, Jimmy and Isaac. So, I know another ally that can help me this time. His name is Zalgo. Alright then, tell me more about him. You'll find out soon. Just follow me. Alright, Adrian. You are next. Go find the victor and kill
Alright, he'll be finished, Master.
Good, now go on. You should fail me again. If anyone kills me, so I have no choice but to do myself.
Oh shit. Not that nemesis of Redstone.
Hi, Victor. I'm here to murder you.
Are you sure you have anything? Because I've got through everything. And I am using my bat this time. That does it. You've asked for it. Have a nice day, bitch.
Abraham, you have failed to kill. You are elite. You don't have anything. You don't even have anything. You are no longer worthy. I have no choice but to replace someone with someone bigger, stronger, and more okay, Peluche. You are next. Now go find Victor and get out.
Wait a second. Are you Dark Bowser? Wait a second. Is that Victor who took me seriously back then? You two chase me. Get him! Ooh, it's you, Chase. You know I used to like you back then, but after hearing about that sex tape of underage fictional characters, I've had it with you. And as for you, Peter, you keep making shitty glam installments. What's with those rants already? You're just doing more rant already and just improve. This is why I got Dark Bowser in the first place. To be able to have more power to turn against anyone who hates me.
And what the fuck don't you like about it? Insulting actors. Making up nasty things about fictional characters from my rant.
Exactly. This is why I hate glam install rants nowadays. I can't believe I used to make those. And guess what? Penn and Teller have something to say to you.
You need to shut the fuck up!
Oh, really? Yes, really. Plus, why be so annoying anyway? When you're just gonna keep doing the same shit over. Alright, you didn't succeed. So, I will have another alley. Okay, we're finally out of the cave. So Devil's Tower, right? So that's where Zalgo and Dark Bowser are. Including Blade. So I don't know how we can defeat Blade, Dark Bowser, and Zalgo. Let's just adventure out for now. That can't be! Pelch Entertainment. What the fuck do you want?
Y antes del meridiano, Eretoget Revention Leopold forget me arrested for me animal abuse video. So what it is, eh?
Oh, so you want revenge on me like last time. How about no? He's gone now. You're all safe, Victor. Let's get the hell out of here.
Peluche, you have failed me too. I am replacing you too. Okay, Arthur.exe and Song.exe. The both of you two are next. Go find the enemies for me. And don't fail me this time.
It will be finished. My master and summoner. Alright, Junko and Corey. Since the both of you want your revenge, how about the fact that you are welcome to join us? And we will also make you more powerful and as powerful as us.
Alright then. I will finally be able to get my revenge after this.
Finally, we are now more powerful.
Really good. Now let's find Victor and his fat bodies. Well. Nice to see you again, Casey. And nice to see you, Victor.
Oh shit, not Sonic and Arthur.exe.
we're here to have you killed sent by our master, Zalgo, so we can have all the souls of the citizens of Google City.
Oh, so that's the same person that I antagonized. Alright then, after we'll both finish you, we are finding him for real. This time.
So, you want to kill us? Huh? Well, kill them. Junko and Corey.
Looks like nothing can kill us now. Victor and Casey. Now we'll kill the both of you.
Oh, you're really going to be finished now? Any last words? I guess not. Casey, finish her off.
You know what? Since Junko and Corey aren't even strong enough after I just realized, me and Arthur.X will finish this off ourselves.
You know what? That really fucking does it. I'm shooting you for fucking real. There, all injured. Casey, are you alright? Get up.
Yes, I am.
You will not get away. I am doing all by myself, even without Sonic.X now. Hell, I am even stronger and more powerful than him. Just watch.
Oh, we'll see about that. Not my sword. You'll pay for that.
Hold on, Casey. I have a lot of weapons, so get a hold of that. Stay here. I'm taking care of this dude. All gone, Casey. Now let's get the fuck out of here.
You fucking stabbed me.
No, I didn't. It was Victor who did. Also, Arthur.exe and Sonic.exe. Both of you have also failed me. I thought both of you would win, but no. You fucked it up. So this time, I am getting an even stronger hitman, who would not do it so poorly. I think you should take a break for now. You're right, maybe.
Well, it was really fun visiting Denver. And I didn't expect to visit my favorite actor. I didn't expect to meet Adam Sandler. I know. I actually like Denver. I think I want to move here as an adult. Wait a second, is that annoying dinosaur Barney who always sings I love you? It's so annoying. It's so goddamn annoying. Yo! Not yo again, Barney. Let me just beat the shit out of you. No, wait, Studebaker. Ooh, so it's you, Studebaker. Let me just fight the shit out of you. Aren't you the one who I kicked you out of my chocolate factory last time? Can't be any more worse than that. I think I should call 911 to arrest Barney for this. Hell, he's even annoying. What the fuck are you gonna do now, Studebaker? You know what? This, of course. Nothing to get away now. Oh yeah? You forgot something. One last punch! It's not over yet, Studebaker. Let me sing you a song.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family.
Ah, you're really starting to piss me the hell off
from me to you.
with this stupid song.
You love me too.
Please, Bill Punk, do something. I got the charge of it. Yeah! He's off now. Studebaker, we need to go. The plane's about to leave. Alright, I'm on it with you. Alright guys, this is a safe. This is it. Now all we have to do is tell Zalgo about it.
I don't think that's Eagle City. I think that's Salt Lake City.
Wait a second, definitely isn't. Ethan, we need to go more further than that. Just teleport us, okay? Is this the right place now, guys? Absolutely, definitely yes. Now, let's get closer to the city. Who the fuck is that? I'm not sure.
Do you four guys want to join me?
Wait, what? Great, now you just fucked up our mission. We're supposed to watch on who is being defeated. Oh no, you're not gonna kill me today. Why be so rude to your haters? Why not handle hate?
I'm going to stop you from hating me.
How about get a load of this? Man, I can't believe it. Eric is such a fucking jerk to me, and a bastard. He shouldn't come here in any time.
Guess who's back really quick? It's me, Eric.
What? How the fuck is that possible? You really mean to kill me, don't you? Well, guess what? The police are coming, and I just called them.
Wait! What? Oh no! I didn't mean it. I wish you and my haters were all killed.
Alright, Mr. Eric. You are under arrest for attempted murder. You also have the right to remain silent as well. Now, put him in the car. Dark Bowser Jr., do I really trust you this time? Definitely. I will go for it. Okay then, don't fail me. If he doesn't succeed at all, I guess I'll have to do it myself then. Dreamy Sparrow, you must not fail me. You must defeat Victor and his fuck buddies. Because if you don't, then I guess I'll have to do it myself along with Blade. So don't fail me today.
It will be finished then, my master. This is it. Google City is there. Now time to kill Victor and his fuck buddies for the souls.
Are you that sure about it? Because I'm here to prevent you from doing so.
Also, who told you to do this?
Zalgo did.
Oh, he will really get it.
Wait girls. I got a real handle of it. Also, why is Dark Bowser Jr. here?
I'm here because Dark Bowser, my dad, wants me to have you killed along with Victor and his fuck buddies.
So, I guess Dark Bowser is a villain master too. Not only Zalgo.
Well, exactly. Anyway, I don't know who Zalgo is, but I know Dark Bowser is. Anyway, it's time, I kill you. Don't talk shit about Dark Bowser.
Hey, you want to team up?
Definitely.
Let's get out of here.
Hop in the car, and we'll teach this bad boy a lesson. Really good. Now prepare to die. Get a load of this. Okay, here's more of them. This ain't fucking possible.
I am going to throw these dark mecha Koopas at you.
Ow, that's fucking painful.
Go cry at your father, the worst person ever.
Hey, don't talk to my father like that. Now you damaged my clown car.
Well, that's what you deserve. Now die.
Absolutely never. I've dreamed inspired to do the cannons. Now fire them. There's really bad, Dreamstar.
True. But since you destroyed my new friend's clown car, we'll both have to fight ourselves.
Go on. You're not going to be able to kill me anyway. Alright. I have won this time. So where's Zalgo and Dark Bowser?
He's in the Devil's Tower.
Alright then. Good luck staying down on the ground.
Dreamy Spatter, you have failed me for the last time. You know what? That is it. I have it with replacing others. Me and Blade are gonna have to do it ourselves thanks to you a lot. Come on, let's go, this way. Now where could they be?
Alright, enough with the damage already. Blade, this is enough. I don't even think you're powerful enough to kill me.
Oh really? I think I do. Watch it.
Come a little bit closer. Here! Look, there's a crow over there. There's a parrot. Yoo-hoo! Karma for that. Blade wasn't even that powerful enough. He didn't have lasers. He didn't have fires. He was powerless. Now where the fuck is Zalgo?
Oh, you really want to kill me, didn't you?
Yes, and Blade was powerless. So, people were asking about Dark Bowser. Where is he?
Oh, he just came. He wants to be the last one of those. He's another leader who's an ally of me. He wants you killed too.
Okay then, I'm introduced to you. And I will be killing you. Now. Here is a showdown with me. Before even killing him.
Good, now go on.
Alright, I'll be killing you first then. I'll get my friends to defeat Zalgo though. Alright, you must be down now. Now all I have to do is to get to Zalgo. Oh no you won't. Hell no you won't. Where the fuck out here? Come the fuck out here now.
Well, Victor, you just came on time and defeat Dark Bowser, but you will not be able to defeat me.
Really? We will really see about that. Also, there's someone that has much more power.
It's me, Redstone. And you will not destroy Google City and take the citizens' souls. And I also have much more power than you.
Oh really? Get the fuck off me! Okay then, I got an even stronger look than this. Let me just show it to you before starting. More power, huh? Lasers! Activate!
Go guys. I'll take care of this.
I really can't handle it no more. Please! Help me! I can't control my powers anymore. I think I'm losing it now. I really fucking had it. I've had it all. That is it. Time for my last and final form ever.
Oh. So this is your final form. Great. Now how will I kill you?
I guess not, Redstone. This is my true final form. I am now more powerful than ever!
My powers. They're lost. You've won me. You're now more stronger than me.
Exactly. This means you're a weakling, and others are weaklings too. Good luck.
Can't be any worse than that. None of the others are more powerful than him. Looks like he is going to have the souls and take over the entire city. What is worse is he might even take over the entire world.
I know, right? We must find someone who can help us get even more power to defeat Zalgo.
Both of you, follow me so quick. We need to find someone who can help us. Maybe we'll find a wizard on the way. This is really it, guys. The junction. Now all we have to do is to defeat Zalgo after we get the powers.
Okay, that could work well.
Alright, this is it. This is really it. The junction. So there's some guy there that will probably help me.
Oh, hi there. I am Ivan Kellen, the person who played Gandalf from Lord of the Rings. So, what is it that you want this time?
A demonic monster named Zalgo is more powerful than us, and he is trying to destroy Google City.
Can't be any more worse than that. I'll show you how. Here it is. Behold, the legendary orb. Take it.
Oh fuck yes, I can really feel the power now in my true demon form. This is it. I'm finding it myself. I'm going back to say that I will defeat that monster out permanently. Hey, and do you also know what's even more interesting than just my demon form? I got wings. Now all I have to do is to fly to sea now. And you are both coming with me to get there faster. This is really fucking it. He must be here in any minute. I'm going to drop you off now. Okay, both of you, go! I'll have to find my way to defeat Zalgo. He must be here in any minute now. Oh, I see someone who's trying to kill me. Well, you're not killing me today. Who the fuck are you? Hell, how the fuck is that even possible? How'd you get those powers, Victor? I got them from the actor of Gandalf from Lord of the Rings. Now your reign of terror ends now. Not today, cause I have more powers than you. You'll see about that. You are more powerful than me. Evil still should not win anyway.
Are you okay, Victor? Yeah, just my demon form is gone. At least that stupid fucker is gone for good. We are really glad to hear that. I'm back home too. Yeah, and you shouldn't have left Studebaker alone. He's powerless. How can he defeat those enemies anyway? Sorry about that. This at least won't happen anymore, right? And also, I think my friends are gonna celebrate it anyway. I think we should all go back home. We're really close anyway. Yep. And we're gonna party. Our asses. We can't actually believe it, guys. We have actually taken down all enemies and monsters. And now, it's time for celebration. Yep, exactly. And, yep. Everyone else must be playing with each other while we're sitting and having a conversation.
True. And also, this is our victory for now.
Congratulations, Victor. I can't believe this. You are now going on a hiatus. The food must even be ready soon.
It's all ready, guys.
You should come now. You'll like it.
This is really the best day of my life. I could see a point why. It's really fun playing here. But I think we should eat. I'm getting hungry.
Guys. The food is ready. Also, the rest of your friends are in the same spot where the campfire is.
We know, we're coming. Alright, come with me, Studebaker. It's right there. Yeah, this is gonna be tasty. Trust me, it will. Wait, don't forget about me, Hacienda, and Coco.
TV.